Hi guys, my name is Clark and I am a young hustler and this is my art appreciation mini vlog. As you can see, I'm getting ready to go ship and meet up the orders of my clients on my small business. Outfit check, pak, blagbagan. As you can see, I'm getting ready to ship the orders of my clients and also meet up with them. Backlight tab, sige init kayo, kayod. So, touchdown ito sa GNT para magpa-ship. Ginay-nayan na nato para mapadala na. So, we are here now at Kogon to get my item and meet ups with my buyers. Kasi today siya.
Uban data para di na ka bali.
Kamu tutong karat mo? Money. Salam. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Salam.